Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create an AR Journal Voucher in the Fresa Global application. To begin, log into the Fresa Global application. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be able to view the homepage. Next, navigate to the AR All Transactions section. Click on it to open the AR All Transactions list page. Now, click on Submit to view the previous AR transactions. Then, open the transaction type list of values, select AR Journal, and click on Create. This will redirect you to the AR Journal Voucher screen. Here, enter all the required details such as debtor name, currency, amount, and GL account. After filling in the necessary information, click on Save and Close. You will then be redirected to the AR Journal Voucher View page. Click on Change Status, and select Approve and Post to complete the process. That's it. This is how you can create an AR Journal Voucher in the Fresa Global application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.